Welcome to the overview for the Potter IntelliView. IntelliView allows users to remotely view the status of their Potter equipment from a computer, tablet, or smartphone through potterintelliView.com or the mobile application. It is compatible with all AFC, IPA, and PFC 4064 fire panels, as well as Potter's intelligent nitrogen generators. The fire alarm panel simply requires a network connection and a computer connected to the same network on site to run the Potter IntelliView link, which is available in two different versions. With a standard free license, the user can view the system overview, which shows if there are any active signals on the panel. With the premium IntelliView link license, the user can actually view the active signals, point information, and panel history. With the premium license, the user can also control the panel to silence, reset, enable, disable, and view signals while performing a walk test on site. Potter IntelliView can be used in conjunction with PotterNet or as a standalone service. It can be used to manage multiple fire panels for campus applications, allowing the user to monitor the entire campus. IntelliView Link can also be used as a single license to take from site to site for one-man walk test purposes.
For additional questions about the Potter product, please contact technical support at the phone number or email address shown on the screen. And as always, don't forget to follow us on social media.